Hey guys, welcome to Gardening and Junk Art. Today we are going to grow a beautiful ornamental tree, Goldmore, also known as the Royal Poinciana, the Royal Flame Tree, the Peacock Tree, and scientifically called Delonix regia. This is a unique flower, dark red or flame color. We will grow this tree through wet paper method, and also we learn how to make seeds. For this process, we need seeds of Goldmore, a tissue paper, a nail cutter, and a head shower, and a transparent tiffin. First of all, we will start nicking seeds. Nicking seed is a process of opening the seed coat or seed jacket prior to the planting them. This process makes it easier for water to penetrate the seed coat and reach the seed germ inside. Be careful not to cut deeply into the seed germ inside, as you can damage it. Be careful, nicking seed can easily lead to cut fingers and hand. You can nick the seed with the edge of a nail clipper, a nail file or a knife. You can sand through the seed coat with a bit of sandpaper. After nicking, it is a good idea to soak the seed for a few hours or overnight, then get them planted. Nicking seeds is common with the large seeds and the seeds with a thick or hard seed coat. Now we will try to germinate the seeds by wet paper or paper towel germination method. Paper towel germination is an easy way to speed up the seed sprouting. Simply keep seeds consistently moist by wrapping them in a damp paper towel or sealing them up in the plastic bags for the greenhouse effect. First of all, take your paper towel and moisten it. Make sure the paper towel is saturated, then cover the bottom of your container with it. Spread a few seeds across your paper towel. Ensure you leave a few centimeters between each seed so they don't come into contact. This can help prevent diseases spreading. Now cover the seeds by the second side of tissue paper or towel. Now cover your container by closing your tiffin. Essentially, this helps create an environment similar to a greenhouse, helping your seeds sprout a little quicker. Place your new mini greenhouse anywhere that will consistently stay around room temperature and also out of direct sunlight. Patience. If you have followed all the steps correctly, you should now have successfully sprouted seed with a paper towel. This is the third day of seedling. Now we carefully open the tissue and check the germination. All seeds have little roots, but we will give 1 day more for more germination. Wet paper or a paper towel method is best because seeds can sprout overnight or within just a few days. Some varieties take longer, but the overall process is definitely quicker. Let's mess starting seeds in the plastic baggies. With wet paper towel means no need to mess around with the potting soil for a little while. First, enjoy the cleaner and quicker start to your gardening. This is the fourth day of seedling, and now there are prominent roots and all of our seeds are grown well. Now this is the time to shift these successfully sprouted seeds to the plastic bags filled with the potting mixture. Now let's move our seeds from our room to our garden. These are our seeds, all are germinated. We prepare the potting mixture, and for this we have 20% compost, sand and cow dung 30%, and garden soil 50%. We mix all these things. After mixing, we will fill the plastic bags having holes. You can watch the video of preparing plastic bags for gardening, seedling and cuttings growing on our playlist gardening, or from link given in the. After excessive watering, we will plant these germinated seeds in these bags. Make a hole in the soil and put the seed in a way that its root is in the bottom. Plant all these seeds and cover with the moist cocoa peat, and keep all these bags in a shady area and wait for its complete germination. You can watch all the videos of preparing plastic bags or preparing cocoa peat from cocoa peat brick on our channel in a playlist gardening. Our garden works on garden growing and garden designing. If you like our work, please subscribe our channel and share with friends. Now we have to wait for few days. After 3 days, this is a successful result of germination. Seed is completely germinated and have one leaf. This is a result after 1 week of transferring seed from wet paper to the plastic bag. All seeds are grown successfully. Every gardener is very happy at this time when the plants planted are grown. I hope you enjoy and like our video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. These are the results after 15 days after sowing seeds, and these are very good results. Now this is the best time to move our plants to our desired places in our garden. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you subscribe our channel and watch other videos. Thank you.